And we are recording. So hello guys, welcome to my first Roblox video. Also my first video on the channel. So today we're gonna be doing my biggest rebirth and a big unboxing. So let's go do the unboxing right now. Let's turn down the music a little. To like 6. Okay, let's do the big unboxing. I'm going for Coco's, evolved Coco's, so let's go. I did not see a Coco, but I saw some tourists. Let's go ahead and sell. Okay. This may take a while. Okay, there we go. Let's continue. Okay. I didn't see any red. I think. I didn't see any red, so I don't think we got a Coco there. Sell. Yeah, we didn't get a Coco. Getting so much Sharpies though. Okay, let's spend the rest. Okay, that's the unboxing. Sell those. Let's evolve these. It's 2 more evolved tourists. Okay, so wasn't that of a good. Wasn't really a good unboxing. But let's go ahead and do the rebirth. I mean, I am getting like 3 levels per swing, but this just took so many days. I was AFKing overnight for like 3 to 4 days straight. But let's get to it. 500 million. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so much. Oh, we almost went up 200. What's my fastest now? 135? It went from 104.5k to 135k, bro. That's insane. It's actually insane, bro. Let's get a few swords. Skins. So I don't have like no HP. Let's get a quest. Of course, we get the worst weapons. I'm actually put some enchants into that. I'm gonna put on the skin. Enchants. Okay. I'm gonna go into the gnomes area. Meanwhile, the arena come up. This is also for my quest. There you go, the arena. Let's hope I can get the 2 gnomes. Come on. Nice, we got it. Now, that kid looks pretty strong. I'm not gonna fight him. I'm gonna try to hit some other kids. I'm sorry. I can actually win that. Okay. 1 arena. I'm gonna turn in this quest. Oh my. Just slow down the volume actually. Kill Barack one time. I'm gonna go do that. 45 seconds. We can do that. Let's see who's all in the server. Timmy Tamika. Interesting name. Okay, there's a couple people that just started the game. About 5 of them. 5 people that just started the game. Level 2, level 3, 6, 7, and 9. Yeah. So yeah. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 skills. Okay, I'm gonna kill Borok and come back to you. Okay guys, we just killed Borok. We're going. Sorry for that. And we're gonna turn in this quest now. $6.76 million. We're going arena 2. Yeah, perfect. And I'm gonna just collect these orbs now. Later, kid. I'm gonna actually give this kid a hit. Okay. I'm pretty sure that those are. That kid was one of the kids that just started, so. Let's go turn in this quest and hopefully we get like a Demon King quest or something. No, like Borok. Kill Borok 2 times. Or Golden Egg. Or Orbs would be nice. Orbs would be nice. Orbs would be nice actually. Hunt 10 gnomes. Okay, not too bad. Okay. I'm gonna cut to when I'm done doing these gnomes. So, yeah. Give me a sec. Okay, we only need one more, and here it is. Should be done. Let's go turn in the quest. Not that much. Probably because I have the worst legendaries in the game, but I mean. Kill Borok 2 times. This is actually a good quest. The killing Borok is a good quest. I think I'm gonna end this video off when I get 2 mythic swords and 1 mythic skin. I'm confident I can kill this before the arena comes, so yeah, that's why I pressed yes. There you go. The kid's running. Let's give him a hit gun. Okay, looks like he doesn't want to hit. Where's the other? There he is. Almost 7 million gold from winning arena. Wow. Let's go in here. Come here. Yeah, we can't get that kid. Get him and him. Yes. Just waiting for Borok to respawn. Get that. Let's see. What's the timer? Oh, wow. That's so long. Get him. Get him. Okay, I can actually sell some chests. I'm getting so much gold from just killing these gnomes. I'm gonna go check Borok now. It's 20 seconds. Perfect. Let's just go right by the throne, the left throne leg. That's right. And I'm gonna be hitting him. Let's go. Okay. We're killing him quick. How much am I gonna get for killing Borok 2 times? How much am I gonna get when I redeem the quest? 4.5 for Borok. Okay. Come on. I'm gonna get running this way. Come on. Yeah, I can't reach. Hopefully no one. Okay. Doesn't matter. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna give you guys hits. I'm trying to get this done. Okay. But by that, I'ma get it. I'ma redeem 13.5 mil. That is crazy. I think I'm just gonna go in like the gnomes and get 10 mil. So yeah, I'ma cut to when I have 110 mil. Peace. Okay guys, we have 110 million. Let's go buy 2 mythics and the skin. Let's see what we get. I'm gonna buy the skin first, actually. Get that. Crazy clown. Kinda mid tier. I'll buy 1 dragon. Oh, it's really bad. Hopefully I get something good. Oh, I guess I'm gonna equip them and end the video here. Oh, it's rough. Sell these. Sell those. Let's just upgrade this and see my levels go up, I guess. Okay, let's see. Yes. It's annoying, but yay me. Oh. Yeah, keep getting annoyed. Go ahead, get annoyed. Okay, well guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So, yeah, that was the big rebirth and big unboxing. See you later. Peace.